In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the box model in Webflow. The box model is a fundamental concept in web design, and understanding it allows you to manipulate the space around elements on your web pages, crucial for achieving the desired layout and styling. Let's dive right in by heading over to Webflow's website, the platform where we'll be working today. Webflow is an intuitive visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites without needing to write code. Once you've navigated to Webflow, the first step is to find the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your Webflow account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to sign up, and you're given access to the dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your control center where all your projects live. From here, you can either start a new project or choose from your existing ones. For today, let's click on a project to access the Webflow Designer. In your project interface, it's time to select an element you want to work with. The box model concept will apply to any element, whether it's a simple div block or a more complex section. By highlighting an element, you'll notice that it becomes selected, and you can see the current styling on the right panel. With your element selected, click on the Style tab, which is typically positioned in the right sidebar of the designer. This is where you adjust the visual appearance of your element, and it's where the box model really comes into play. Next up, click on the Spacing section within the Style tab. Here, you have the option to add margins and padding to your elements. Margin is the outer space surrounding an element, creating space around it and pushing other elements away. Padding, on the other hand, is the inner space within an element, increasing the distance between the content inside and the border of the element itself. To adjust these properties, simply input values for either margins or padding, depending on your desired effect. You can add uniform spacing using a single value or customize each side's spacing to suit your layout needs. Experimenting with these values allows you to see how the elements shift and adjust in real time, a handy feature that Webflow provides. In understanding the box model, you're better equipped to create well-structured, visually appealing web pages. Remember, the key lies in experimenting and adjusting these properties to achieve the best design for your specific requirements. There you have it, a quick guide to using the box model in Webflow. Happy designing!